everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is so great to see you. Thank you all so much for watching my current videos that I have just released in the last 48 hours. Your support means the world to me. Also, thank you for all the entries I'm receiving so far. Everything's being logged, everything's being noticed. Thank you so much. But today I have all 5, I could not resist, all 5 of the wonderful Liquid Lurex eyeshadows. I'm wearing one of them today, and I have a lot of information for you about how they wear and all that type of thing. These are £19 each, and you get quite a lot of product for your money. Actually, you do get 2.8 ml. Now that is a good amount when it's a liquid product, because you can just keep swiping. The packaging is reminiscent of the initial lipsticks. You can see I have all of my lipsticks there. It's the white and gold box, so absolutely adore the packaging. And then a couple of boxes become the lips. Moving on to the sturdy, gorgeous gold packaging, really heavy, reminiscent of the lipsticks. What shade is this? That's Velvet Carnival. So I picked up all the shades. We've got Bianca, we have No Eyesight, Liza, Angelica, Diana and Lauren. So really compact, beautiful, heavy product. As I mentioned, a lot of product in there. I have all the swatches for you. I've done an eye look. I try all of these on and I mix a couple as well. I use brush, I use my fingers. It's a very good demo for you. And on my skin, let's talk about the giveaways, my skin, and then we'll get straight into it. So in the description bar below, I will list what you need to do to get, I will list the video to do the Liza ELDRIDGE giveaways for 2 lipsticks for 2 different people. I will link the mystery box for Charlotte Tilbury and the mystery or secret item. So we've got lots of Christmas giveaways at the moment. Essentially, all you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, share one of my pictures from my profile Instagrid on your stories. All the rules are in each different video. Now, on my skin, I have on my Dear Dahlia primer again. I'm wearing my Liza ELDRIDGE foundation. I've done 2 reviews on this, one from the sachet and one from the full bottle. I'm in the shade 17. I'm wearing a Clinique and NARS concealer. I'm wearing some Charlotte Tilbury and Glossier Heat bronzer. I'm wearing Liza on my lids, Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, Lip Max, and I've got an Hourglass lipstick on in Nude 06 and the Lip Maximizer from Dior, stripped down lip liner, and I think my Cosmic Rose highlighter from Liza ELDRIDGE. I forgot to mention, guys, I have also got NARS Climax Extreme Mascara on and a By Terry eyeliner. No blush today, guys. Just bronze. That's what I was in the mood for. My dress is from H&M. I will link everything down below. I hope you enjoy this video and I shall see you in a minute. So guys, that's enough chat. Let's go ahead and get these on the eyes. So I think I'm going to start with the lightest colour. Now this is Bianca. For all of those of you who are following me on Instagram, you all saw that I posted this and it was a sensational colour. So when putting it on the back of my hand, I blend it in a bit more and it just reveals these beautiful iridescent pearls of glitter. So I'm starting off very light, taking this off the back of my hand, and I'm just putting that all over. Just come in a little bit closer. This dries down super quick. Now, normally I would say this is probably borderline too bright for me, but it really isn't. So you need a tiny amount. I'm probably over adding, but just look at how it glistens. There's a little bit of time there to work the product. It is just gorgeous. So yesterday, you guys, I told you in the beginning of this video, I was wearing Bianca and Angelica, and what I did was I took a bit of Angelica, put it on the back of my hand. Look at that. totally different in tone, and I took a little bit and I just placed it on the outer corner and in my crease, just to play with it a little bit. Those two mixed together is beautiful. One of my best friends on here, Hannah Hearts, she is the kind of chic woman that just needs to put something on quick on her eyelids and go. So seemingly these are going to be perfect for that. So that's a mix of Angelica and Bianca. Let's get another one on the eyelid. I want to purposefully show you these two together. This is Lauren and Diana. So Lauren is the lighter gold. So that is a deeper skin tones version of a quick fix nude gold situation. And then, wow, look at these shades, guys. They're stunning. So what I want to do first is I want to put Lauren all over my lids. I'm using a brush just to show you different techniques and how, and test really how it works. Yeah, that's easy too. So just, these are going to be amazing for cut crease work if anybody does that. Let's bring a little bit down there. Look at that, guys. Your festive eyes are sorted because they're just so quick. So I've already tested the longevity of it, and these lasted absolutely all day, all night, because I did my Charlotte Tilbury video yesterday, and everybody was just commenting on the quality of my makeup, which was really nice. Then for fun, guys, I'm just going to put Diana in this outer corner. Wow, look at that pigment, just for fun. Do you know these, oh wow, are going to be perfect for bridal. For me, it brings a affinity to Indian brides. Wow, Diana is gorgeous too. Oh wow. Oh, in the summer this is going to be gorgeous as well. So guys, that's just roughly me showing you with a brush. We've used fingers and brush. I am going to do one look that I want, but let's go and see whatever natural light I can get from the gloomy grey day that we have in the UK today. So guys, this is about as much natural light as I can catch, but look how beautiful those colours are. Really, really nice. Do you know, guys, I was also thinking the way that these reflect in the daylight and with any sort of light for the festivity season is just going to be so sparkly and beautiful, but it's not going to be like a thick glitter. Sometimes glitter is great, but I think an iridescent, finely milled glow is better. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the grey. I'll just put the grey on so that you've got them all there. There we go. Amazing. The longevity of them is just incredible. Right, let's go and do an eye look with the grey. In fact, I just wanted to show you this Hourglass scattered light eyeshadow. Comes like this. It's quite grainy, and I just wanted to show you a comparison. I'll do it here. Very nice, but can you see there's a robustness to this, and this is very powdery, and I know it's not a liquid, but it's like an in-between, so just a little comparison. Also thought we'd do this together. I'm just going to take some Johnson's wipes My remover is out. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, oh wow, you know that I've been trying to find a new eye makeup remover routine, and I don't really like wipes, but yeah, these come off really nice and easily. So we're going to do the grey together. Just going to leave these on, and let's do a grey look. So I've gone ahead and put my concealer lightly back on. Now let's go ahead and put this grey on its own. Oh my god, that's amazing. I'm just going to use this brush from MAC. Oh wow, that's your smoky eyes sorted, guys. So whilst you've got some play, oh wow, bring it down. I'm going to put a little transition on in a moment. Oh guys, look at that. You can incorporate blue with this. Oh wow, guys. That's working like a dream. Now I'm going to go lighter with it and build it. If you guys don't want to go as heavy as quickly as I did. Wow. This formula is sensational. Can you see how that's a lot lighter than this? Right, I'm going to finish off this eye look and let's get into my final thoughts. I realised, guys, I haven't showed you how I was going to finish off this look. So I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer because I've always liked the depth of this for a transition. And I'm going to blend this in with this to give you that smoky eye look. Won't be doing much more with it. Obviously mascara and eyeliner. I love a bit of water eyeliner, so I'm going to do that. And we're going to do highlighter. Oh, let's use one of these as a highlighter. Shall I try and use Bianca as a highlighter? Yes. That's beautiful. So guys, my final thoughts. These Liquid Lurex eyeshadows are to die for. They are amazing. I have just created a multi-dimensional, sparkly, glowy, gorgeous, smoky eye with one grey. It's incredible. I think we've got tones for absolutely everybody. The price point is fantastic. They're £19 each. They're so easy to use. They're so long wearing. The formula is absolutely delightful. The packaging is gorgeous. I can't wait for more of these. This is the easiest smoky eye I have ever done in my life. I mean, if you wanted to, you could add mattes to this as well, so do a matte build-up of it. There's just so much you can do. These are absolutely incredible and they are a win from me. This is a kind of short and sweet video. I'm loving these quick videos for you, quick fire. I tell you, it's a hustle getting a video up for you guys with two beautiful boys that I love to spend all my time with. So yes, don't forget about all the giveaways. I spoke about it at the beginning. Get involved, get in, get subscribed, share this content with people who you think will also like it, and join us to be a wonderful beauty community who just love each other and want to love all things beauty. I can't wait to see you in the next one, guys. Take care.